We chose to read the novel Deep by James Nestor. In a world of 7 billion people, where every inch of land has been mapped, much of it developed, and too much of it destroyed, the sea remains the final unseen, untouched, and undiscovered wilderness, the planet's last great frontier. James Nestor. Deep explores the unique and mysterious world of freediving. The novel begins with the author Nestor at a freediving competition. He is immediately dazzled by the interesting and dangerous sport. He realizes he wants to dive deeper into the community and discover all he can about freediving. The book illustrates the big ideas we will learn throughout this year in AP Biology through interesting examples found in the vast deep ocean. Big Idea 2 states, biological systems utilize free energy and molecular building blocks to grow, to reproduce, and to maintain dynamic homeostasis. We can see this in the book when the author learns of a physiological reflex called the master switch of life. This occurs in humans when their bodies are placed in water. Essentially, the body adapts to the water by activating a series of responses, such as lowered heart rates and blood rushing to vital organs. Another example of Big Idea 2 that is discussed in the book is a phenomenon observed in the coral species. In short, corals of the same species spawn at the exact same time of the year, no matter the location or distance. Both of these are examples of an organism utilizing free energy to grow, reproduce, and maintain dynamic homeostasis. Throughout the book, Nestor joins multiple freediving communities to better learn and understand the sport firsthand. Big Idea 3 states that living spaces store, retrieve, transmit, and respond to information essential to life processes. Nestor discovers this idea when studying how sharks' bodies work like antennas to tune into the signals pulsing around it. The shark's neurons are constantly receiving and transmitting information. Like previously mentioned with humans, another animal, ducks, also respond to being placed in water by decreasing their heart rate in the new environment. Because of spending so much time in and around the deep water, Nestor had the privilege to study and explore the beautiful ecosystems that are found in the deep ocean. Big Idea 4 states, biological systems interact, and these systems and their interactions possess complex properties. Nestor travels to a town that has had multiple shark attacks recently. The townspeople want to slaughter the sharks that are causing stress to the community. Nestor must convince the people not to harm the sharks because they are an important part of the ecosystem. Every animal that belongs to an ecosystem, big or small, is important. The entire system will suffer without each and every component. One more discovery Nestor made was the sea lily, a unique flower-shaped animal. This species was thought to be extinct for many years, but was found in a new and different environment. This showed Nestor that animals can change and adapt to live in new ecosystems. All the stress, noise, and distractions of life are left at the surface. The ocean is the last truly quiet place on Earth. James Nestor, Deep. Thank you for listening.